If you're shopping for a reliable and efficient gas water heater for your home, this video highlights the top 5 models this year that deliver exceptional performance and long-term savings. Let's begin with the RINNAI RXP160IN Condensing Tankless Gas Water Heater, one of the most efficient and powerful options available for whole home use. This unit delivers up to 9 gallons per minute, making it ideal for households with multiple bathrooms or simultaneous water demands such as showers, laundry, and dishwashing. It utilizes condensing technology to push its uniform energy factor, UEF, close to 0.98. Which means you get more hot water output per unit of energy used. It includes Smart Sense recirculation capabilities and is Wi-Fi compatible with RINNAI's EcoNet system, allowing for remote monitoring and temperature control. It operates on natural gas, but can be converted to propane if needed. Its compact, wall-mounted design saves space and offers flexible installation for both new homes and retrofit applications. If you're seeking a blend of power, intelligence, and top-tier efficiency, the RXP160IN is a standout choice. Next is the RINNAI RX199IN, which builds on the performance of the RXP160IN by offering even greater capacity. With a maximum flow rate of 11 gallons per minute, this model is tailored for large households or homes with luxury installations like deep soaking tubs or high-pressure showers. It also uses condensing technology, offering a UEF of around 0.97 and the same compact footprint as its sibling. Like the RXP160IN, it supports Wi-Fi monitoring, remote diagnostics, and integration with recirculation systems. Whether you're running multiple fixtures across multiple floors or need constant, uninterrupted hot water, the RX199IN ensures your home stays comfortable and efficient. Its robust design and built-in safety features make it one of the most future-proof investments for 2025. G95DVLN-3 High-Efficiency Tankless Gas Water Heater, a mid-range unit known for consistent performance and ease of use. It delivers up to 9.5 gallons per minute and features RHEEM's EcoNet-enabled performance diagnostics. While this model is non-condensing, it still achieves a respectable UEF in the range of 0.82 to 0.93 depending on climate and use. The RTG95DVLN-3 is a great choice for homeowners who want a reliable, long-lasting solution without jumping to the most premium price point. It's designed for indoor installation with direct venting, making it ideal for basements or utility rooms. RHEEM's strong brand reputation and wide service network also make this a smart choice if long-term support and serviceability are important to you. The RINNAI V75 in non-condensing tankless gas water heater provides an excellent mix of affordability and performance. With a flow rate of 7.5 gallons per minute, this unit is perfect for homes with 1 to 2 bathrooms. It maintains the efficiency and reliability that RINNAI is known for, in a more compact and budget-friendly package. The V75-inch features simple temperature control, efficient gas usage, and easy wall-mounted installation. It's not Wi-Fi compatible like the higher-end models, but it delivers where it counts. Consistent, fast, and efficient hot water whenever you need it. This unit is ideal for small families, guest homes, or anyone upgrading from an aging tank system. The RHEEM Performance Platinum 50-gallon natural gas water heater. For homeowners who prefer a traditional tank-based system, this unit offers excellent capacity and dependability. It features a 40,000 BTU low-NOx burner and a UEF of around 0.64, which is competitive for tank model. The glass-lined steel tank resists corrosion, and the push-button ignition makes startup a breeze. With a 50-gallon capacity, this unit can serve multiple users in a short time span, making it ideal for mid-sized households. While it may not offer endless hot water like tankless models, it delivers excellent short-term capacity at a lower upfront cost. For those who prefer the familiarity of a tank and don't need the perks of digital monitoring or recirculation, the Performance Platinum series is a trusted and cost-effective option or upgrading an old system. These gas water heaters provide the performance and efficiency to keep your household running comfortably all year round.